This video is regarding the Brother MFC J6955DW All-in-one color inkjet printer. I'm going to show you what is inside the box. So let's do the unboxing. So we can see here it's a large printer, so quite big in size. You need couple of people to just take it out and place it properly. Now this printer comes with the 4 ink cartridges. So these are the color ink cartridges and the black ink cartridge, and these last up to 1 year. Comes with the manual, and you also has one cable for the fax. Ink chamber is in the front, so if you just open, you can just load the ink cartridges here. It's a large ADF tray, it's a large screen, and you can also scan using the scanner bed, and it has paper output tray here, and there are 2 paper input trays, so you can place the pages here. So these are 2 trays and they can hold 500 sheets. So that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching.